Sophie was just minding her own business in a crowded cafe when she let out an almost inaudible sneeze. Unbeknownst to her, someone nearby live-streamed the moment. Internet sleuths misheard her gentle chew as a cryptic code, sparking wild theories about secret societies. Soon, millions attempted the whisper sneeze challenge, trying to decode her message. Sophie, bewildered, watched as her social media exploded. The twist? A tissue company offered her a lucrative deal to be the face of their new silent sneeze campaign. Profiting from chaos never felt so good.